scared. No, Mr. Bones and I are not going to run away together. I'm completely happily married. But I am going to show you guys how to turn Mr. Bones right here into a concrete planter. Here are the supplies that you're going to need for this DIY. A skeleton head from the Dollar Tree, some gray craft paint. I'm out of gray craft paint, so I'm going to use some white and some black to create gray. Flat black spray paint. And I also grabbed these succulents from the Dollar Tree. Baking soda! I ordered this on Amazon, thought I was ordering a giant bag, and this cute little guy showed up. Paintbrush and X-Acto knife. So I have seen this trend all over Pinterest. I'm sure you guys have too. The concrete look. I've seen people do this on lamps. I've seen people do this on pottery. I've even seen people make the cute chain link garlands that look like concrete. So I added just a little tiny bit of black to try and make the gray color I'm going for, the concrete look. Okay, so I feel like I have the right color gray that I'm going for. So now I'm gonna start adding in my baking soda till I get the consistency I want. I can always add more, so I'm just going a little bit at a time till I get that right consistency. It's almost ready. Not too thick, not too thin. Like, you can see it just kind of looks grainy. Okay, so now I'm just gonna start painting my skull with a pretty thin coat of this. Okay, so I'm just making sure that I'm getting it in all the little nooks and crannies and really giving him a good coat of this concrete paint. Okay, I've got him pretty well coated. I'm just gonna take him outside now and let him dry. So I picked up these succulents at the dollar store and I got a little ahead of myself. These come in just like a little container about yay big, and I just pulled each one out of the little pot that it came in. I decided that I want this to kind of be like a more spooky vibe, so instead of leaving them this green color, I'm gonna spray paint them with my black spray paint. Here's what my succulents look like now that they're black. Okay, I'm back and my skull head is dry. He's looking so concrete to me. This effect with the baking soda is really cool. So my next step is gonna be taking my X-Acto knife and just creating small cuts in his head and then inserting my succulents. So I just puncture just a little hole and then push my succulents down as far as I can. I want to add this one in before I get my next hole going, just so I can get an idea for where my next one's gonna go. It's basically like creating a floral arrangement. Even with just a couple, he's already looking so cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna add my last few succulents, and just like that, he's all done. He really is kind of a whimsical piece of Halloween decor. He's something that could stay up year round if you just switched your black succulents out for green. I love you, Mr. Bones.